swift hawk, which is generally lived in deep forest woodlands areas in Southeast Asia and South Asia. You can see a long rounded neck and swift feathers, which are primary flight feathers. The wings are primary wings that float in the air. You can see his beak is quite long and curved, rounded curved. The upper parts are grayish, blue grayish with a contrasting black cap. Copper's hawk generally have large head and broad shoulders, and it has rounded tail feathers. The primary tail feathers are long, and the terminal of the tail is so rounded. You can see the upper parts are grayish and lower parts you can see are spotted grays. See its size is a medium sized bird. Male and females have equally size in length, but female has 1/3 more larger size than male. And you can see its back sides, the tail feathers are rounded. Its long legs contains perching legs like long toe, gripping toe, which can hold the bird at the night or at the predatory time in the trees. That is generally a woodland birds. The feeding habit of copper's hawk. This predatory bird feeds on small birds, perching birds, songbirds, and other insects. Now I will discuss about the facts of the copper's hawk. Copper's hawk's eyes are moving forwardly, and they can catch their prey in their flight. Now we have gone to agriculture land where a great place for hunt and feed for a copper's hawk. It is a beautiful and wonderful creature as we love him to death. And you can see so I will discuss about the behavior of the Cooper's hawk or swift hawk. Generally, its wings shows the flap-like glidings in the airs, and you can see the eyes of the hawk as they move forward. During their flights, they can hold their prey strictly. And you can see its upper tail feathers are shorter than lower tail feathers. Its plumage is quietly grey, and the wings you can see. Freed that copper's hawk into their open land.